Meet Dave. Dave has built up a business selling products online all over the world, and now he wants to lower his purchase cost, as well as expand his product range by importing directly from China. He is faced with all sorts of challenges: getting the right price, comparing quotes and specifications, communicating with suppliers, quality issues. Some suppliers don't even reply to him. It's taking far too much of his time, and he's left feeling frustrated and unable to make a sound business decision. Then Dave came across Easy Imex, a company with a complete product-to-market solution, a solution designed for importers just like him. Easy Imex one-stop solution ensures every single time, for every single product, Dave gets the right price, and here's how. First of all, the team at Easy Imex understand Dave's product, his specification, and his market. The team source up to 50 potential manufacturers from a range of sources. 70% of the manufacturers Easy Imex use are not even listed on Alibaba, and often are the best manufacturers in their field. The team then narrows down the list of 50 potential manufacturers to a shortlist of qualified suppliers. They send out an official request for quotation to these manufacturers, tendering out Dave's business. But Easy Imex knows it's not so simple to get competitive quotes from factories. So they contact the key people at each supplier, explaining Dave's business and building rapport. The Easy Imex team collects all the quotes, adding the key information into a sourcing report for Dave to see each factory's price, lead time, and minimum order quantity. After discussing with Dave, Easy Imex audits the factories that seem like the best fit for his business. Here, the team learn any important information about the factories, like which brands and competitors they're producing for. Not only that, but they tell the factory boss all about Dave's business and that they're keen to start working together. The final factory is selected, and Dave is excited. The factory sends a sample to Easy Imex for their quality assurance team to check the product specifications, how it assembles, any instruction manuals, and perform a drop test. They make a note of all the issues, big to small, and explain to the factory what changes need to be made. Dave feels relieved that Easy Imex sorted out all these issues before his order was mass-produced. And what's more, until this stage, he's only paid $499 for the sourcing package to Easy Imex. Finally, the order is ready to be placed. Once production is finished, Easy Imex carries out a pre-shipment quality control inspection. The order passes the inspection, but Dave is given total control over accepting or rejecting his order before shipment. He confirms the order, so Easy Imex arranges export of his goods. Dave receives his goods, and he is delighted. Not only has he saved time, but also money. Dave's customers truly love his product, and his reviews show that. His business has never been better. He has increased sales, but product defects and return rates are lower than ever. He's now working on rolling out his next 20 products with Easy Imex, safe in the knowledge that this is the best way for Dave to bring his products to market. Are you ready to successfully import from China just like Dave? Take the first step and sign up on the most suitable service package for your business.